my name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me today for Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I have the box back here, and it's been a lot of fun opening this. I love seeing everything that we get. It's been great. I also want to tell you thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for everyone who is praying for my mom and for all of the well wishes and everything. I really appreciate it. Also, I know some of you had asked about my big giant ball that's behind me here in yesterday's video. I am making one of those jelly roll rugs, and that's sitting there mocking me, telling me I need to get on it before Christmas. So I need to work on that. I'll show it to you. Hopefully it'll be done soon, and I'll show it to you. Okay, so let's move on to day 12. I'm so curious about this. I mean, it's weird. It's just a weird little thing. So let's open it up. Okay, it's a, oh, salt and pepper shaker? Maybe? Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a great gift. It's not a salt and pepper shaker. Well, it might be originally, that's what it was for, but it's not. Oh my gosh. This is free fuse. I have been wanting to get this, and this is the container we're going to use it. Oh, I can't wait to use this. This is a fusible powder. So instead of using like any of the spray adhesives for your quilting projects, you use this, and oh my goodness. It's a semi-permanent fusible powder. I'm excited to use this because I've been meaning to buy this, and I wasn't sure if I'd like it, but this is going to give me a great opportunity to try it out. And I love that it's this salt and pepper shaker that we can use to put on. Oh, this is a great gift. I love this. This is awesome. Okay, so let's take a peek at tomorrow's gift. All right, and this is day 13. All right, this feels like a book and maybe a pattern. It's a little bit bendy, maybe a notebook or something. It's something like that. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's something like that. It's definitely bendy and bumpy. Anyway, I'm excited to see what that is, and I'm excited about the fusible powder. It really is something I wanted to try, so I can't wait to try that. As always, thank you for joining me. I can't wait to share tomorrow's with you, day 13, and see what else we got. We're halfway through this box, and it looks like we're doing really well with the totals. Again, the totals are, you know, my best guess, and I'm not exactly accurate, I know, but I do the best I can with it, and I just like to see, you know, was it worth the $160 that we paid? Anyway, have a great day. See you tomorrow, and make sure you take some time to sew. Bye.